Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Tony, my wife Joni there behind the camera, and you're with us here on our homestead in Creekside Maples. Today we're going to pull this beam. This is our main beam for our ridge pole for our barn build. So we're going to try to tie it off here to the back of the four-wheeler and then see if we can yard the thing up to the barn build. Hopefully it works out, but if it goes the way everything else usually goes, it's going to be real fun trying to get it there. Anyway, that's what's going on. I've got to get this lifted up somehow. I'm not sure if this is going to work. We're going to try it. We shall see. As you can see, we got a little bit of snow to make things even more fun. Let's see if we can do this. Our beam has arrived.
Yeah.
So now we'll unhook it. We'll have to put it up on sawhorses, and then we'll have to do the edge trim so we can square it up. It's going to be a task, but we shall get it. We shall get it. Let's shove this here, underneath it here, once I lift it up. So we got our beam up here, as you can see. It's quite a long one. And what I'm trying to do now is get it up on these sawhorses because I got to trim the edges. So it's covered in snow, thanks to the weather, but you know, around here this time of year, you can't pick and choose. It's going to be weather as it is. So I can't lift this up because I can't lift with my left arm. So everything I do is so slow, and sometimes it gets frustrating because typically I'd just pick it up, put it on the sawhorse, but I can't do that anymore. So what I've done is put a strap around it. I'm just going to rig this, come along up to it, and hook it in and hope for the best. And then you try to work with gloves on. And good luck with that. And you can't. anyway, as you can see, we've got the plank, the ridge beam up on the sawhorses. So I got that end up there, and then this end, I had to put one of these little crank and come along things on it so that I could pick it up and slide the sawhorse under it. So she's pretty solid there now. So we're going to release it. Just like that. And that is our beam. Looks pretty good. I think we're going to be long enough. We're about 26 inches there, and I think we've got that much over there. So I think we're going to be just about what we need. Oh yeah, we've got 4 feet here, so we got plenty of length. That is going to be one big beam. So, there it is. Yep. There it is. Yeah, we'll have to take, how we're going to square this up is, I take a chalk line, and I come down here to this narrow end, and I'll put my chalk line right here, and then I'll run it straight up, just inside any bark or what they call wane or anything on the wood. Then we'll mark it, then we'll follow that line, and that'll give us a nice straight edge. And then we'll flip it and do the same thing on this side. That way, we can get a good edge.
Yeah.
And then square the ends, cut it to length, and I have no idea how we're going to get it up there.
But you'll take us up then.
I do not have a forklift. I don't have a tractor.
Or crane.
I don't have a crane. So I'm going to have to think of a way to take this beam and get it up there. The problem is I can't lift with this shoulder. She can't lift with her shoulders. The dogs are too short.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to figure out a way. And I think what I'll probably do is I'm going to take the 4-wheeler winch. I'm going to throw it up over the line up over the top of the wall, drop it down. I'm going to hook the beam, and then I'm going to pull the winch in, and then that'll pull the beam up top for one end. And then once I get one end up, I'll go to the other end, do the same thing there, and we'll get it up on top of the wall. Then once we get it on top of the wall, then we got to flip it on its edge and put it into the holder. Once we get there, we'll be good to go.
So,
What's so difficult about that?
I guess we need to say, stay tuned.
Stay tuned for how we figure out to get this up there. We're doing this with basic hand tools.
Yep.
You know, we don't have tractors, we don't have lifts, we don't have any of those things right yet. We'd like to, but it's not in the budget right yet. So, we got to do it any way we can figure it out. And we will. But hey, if you've got an idea,
Yeah, tell us.
let me know. Well, that's it for right now. We're going to close out, and thanks for watching. We're just going to go in, and we're soaking wet. And it's a little bit chilly. The snow's kind of interfering with what we're trying to do a little bit, but we made progress today. So we're going to go in, actually edit another video and get it up to YouTube. Don't forget to go to our channel, subscribe, like our videos, share us with all your media friends, and hey, help us grow the channel.
That's right. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next year,
God
next
bless.
day, next trip, next way, next. What am I trying to say? Who knows?
Next time.
Next time. That's when we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. God
Bye-bye.
bless.